Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at how to add two digits. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin. So let's start by looking at an example. Say we are to find the sum of these two numbers, 38 and 16. So what is going to be our answer if we add 38 and 16? So to do that, we rewrite this over here. Since we have to find the sum, we write 38 and then 16. We bring our bars over here. Now the first thing we do is to add digits by digit. So we add the ones term to each other, then we move to the second place value, which is the tens term, and then we add them one after the other. So the first thing I will do over here is to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. I will write 4 and carry 1. So that 1 will come to the top over here, or it will move to the tens term. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, plus the 1 over here is now 5. So this becomes 5. So our answer over here is 54. So let's have a look at another example. Say we have 19 plus 65. What is our answer? So 19 plus 65. We add digit by digit from left to right. From right to left. So we add 9 and 5 first. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. As usual, I write my 4 and I carry the 1 and I move it to the second column over here. So it becomes 1 over here. So now it becomes 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 6, which is now 8. So my final answer is 84. Let's have a look at another example. So we have 33 and 61. We have to add these two numbers. What is going to be our answer? As usual, we add 3 and 1, these two digits first. So 3 plus 1 will give us 4, and then because this is only 4, there's no value to be carried on to the second column, so that is that. So we now add these two numbers over here, 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 will give us 9. So our final answer over here is 94. Right, so let's have a look at more examples. Alright, so let's add the following or find the sum of the following. We have to find the sum of the following. Oh, and by the way, sum means addition. So if you hear find the sum of these two numbers, it means add those two numbers. Right, so we have to find the sum of 13 and 67. 75 and 25. 41 and 19. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the solution for this problem. So the question demands that we find the sum of the following numbers or digits. So let's look at solution. So for what I'll do is I'll write the first number given to me, which is 13. Then I write the addition sign. Then I bring 67 under it. Alright, so I start adding from my right to left, from in this direction. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Instead of writing the whole 10, I'll write 0 and then carry 1 onto the next set of numbers. So I write only 0 here, and then the 1 over here, I bring it to the top over here. So I carry it onto the next number. So now I have 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 6, which is 8. So this is 80. So 80 here becomes my answer. All right, so let's look at the second example. 75 plus 25. Over here, as usual, 5 plus 5 will give me 10. I write 0 and I carry 1. I bring that 1 to the top over here. Now I have 1 plus 7, which is 8, plus 2, which is 10. So I now write that 10 since there is no extra digit after the 10th place value over here. So I can now write the 10 since I'm done with my addition. So my answer over here is 100. I 41 and 19. So I start adding. 1 plus 9 will give me 10. I write 0 and then I carry 1. That 1, I bring it over here. So 1 plus 4 will give me 5, plus 1 will give me 6. So my answer over here becomes 60. Alright, so let's try some questions together. Alright, so let's add the following exercise. Let's try our hands on the following set of questions. So we are to find the sum of the following two-digit numbers. So let's try our hands on this. So you can pause the video after I'm done writing the question and try your hands on it. So 31 and 25. I. 36 and 12. I. 43 and 22. IV. 33 and 61. Alright, so you can pause the video and try your hands on these questions. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the solution to this problem. So for the first example, we have 31 and 25. This is very easy to add. So we bring our plus sign over here or our addition sign over here. 1 plus 5 will give me 6. So I write down my 6. There is nothing to carry, so just 6. 3 plus 2 will give me 5. So my final answer over here is 56. I. 36 plus 12. Alright, so 36 plus 12. 6 plus 2 will give me 8. 3 plus 1 will give me 4. So my final answer is 48. Let's move on to the next question. I have 43 plus 22. As usual, 3 plus 2 will give me a 5. 4 plus 2 will give me 6. So my answer is 65. Let's look at the Roman numeral 4, the last question. 33 plus 61. So as usual, I add the digits on my right hand side first. So 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 will give me 4. I write down my 4. And 3 plus 6 will give me a 9. So the answer is 96. So this is how we add two-digit numbers. It's very easy. All you have to do is first of all rewrite the digits you are given in a column format, which is number after number, and then you do your addition. If you add and it's more than 10, you write say 25, you add and your answer is 25. Write the first digit and carry the second digit onto the next set of digits to be added, and then you get your final answer. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.